$500 a month with Amazon links to viral videos. It sounds complete BS, doesn't it? But as always, we're going to break this method down. I'll show you how simple it is. Then we'll look at how it works. And here's my guarantee. If you watch this video till the end, you can actually get this set up today. And even better, I'll share with you the tools and resources that I am doing to make it fast. But first, let's show some proof to show you that I am indeed doing this method. Okay, I'm over in my Amazon Associates account. Now, obviously, I'm going to blur some of this out because we've got my store ID in here and other bits. But you can see here, this is current $562.65. This is for the upcoming payment. So you can see on here, this balance reflects your earnings since the last payout. And normally you get paid on the 18th of each month. So by the time this actually does come, realistically, it'll probably be over $600, okay? But how does this method work and how can you set this up yourself? Well, the first part of it is, if you do not know, Amazon have an affiliate program. It's called the Amazon Associates. Now you can sign up absolutely for free. All you just go over to Google and put this into Google. How do you sign up for Amazon Associates? And it'll walk you through this. And it's genuinely a straightforward and simple process. Obviously, I can't do it because I'm already in the Associates program. But this is it. You literally go over here and then here's your step-by-step instructions. You just sign up, create an account, and then you go through it. Now, the one thing people get stuck with is this part over here. Enter website or apps, and it'll ask you to provide URLs of your websites, blogs, or social media pages. This can be YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, loads of different platforms, okay? But you just need to share one. And then you just go through the process, verify your phone number, and then you will get immediate access. Okay, and then your account will be reviewed after your first sale. And if you're confused by that, you can just watch this video down here. It's incredibly simple, okay? But the first part is obviously you sign up to Amazon Associates. Once you've signed up, then what happens is when you go on Amazon, whether you're in the UK, the US, wherever, you can then become an affiliate for any product that you see on here. Okay, straightforward and simple. So I'm going to give you an example of this. Okay, so this is a product that I have found. I have seen that it's been selling a lot in the last month, and we can see it's in the UK it's currently 20 quid. So this is the product, and we've got these little images down here. And then what many people don't know as well is when they think of Amazon Associates, they think you have literally just got to be signed up to the Amazon Associates program and be, creating content on blogs and websites. You absolutely don't. Essentially, there's two parts to Amazon. So you can become an associate, which basically means you can become an affiliate. And I'm going to show you this part. But then also, as an added bonus, they have something called the influencer program. And what that allows you to do is, you see here, if I click on videos, and down here, we will get a box open up with videos for this product. Let's just mute him. So you'll get videos come up on here, and if someone was to watch one of these videos, like this one here is only 6 seconds, this one over here is 26. If somebody watched the video and then bought the product, you can also be earning that way. That's the influencer program. That is separate to the associates, okay? So let's just focus on Amazon Associates. So the first part of it is we're going to need a link to the product, okay? So this up here is our link. So I'm just going to copy it like so. I think we can agree that part is simple. Then I'm coming over to this AI software down here and I'll link it down below for you. You can test it out absolutely for free for a week. After that, they've got different plans that you can go on to. But let me show you this, okay? So inside of here, we've got all of these different options, whether we want to be using VO3 Sora, whether we're doing B-roll, faceless videos, etc. For this one, we use this one down here. It's called URL to video. And you can see, look, convert product pages and web content into video ads. So all I do is very straightforward and simple. And this is why I like this method. So we'll come over here. Now you see up here, it says scrape content. Sorry, here, scrape content. And you can do this on multiple platforms. You can see we've got Shopify, we've got eBay, Amazon, and a couple more. I'm going to paste that link in here. And I'm going to click on extract images. Then the AI is going to go over to that link, pull it up, and bring in all of the images from this, okay? And then we'll get it to create a video for us. So look on here, look, you need to extract and select the images to generate. So at this moment in time, we can do 5 different images. So the first one is, I'm going to click on that one. Then I'm going to go to this one. In fact, let's go back over to the images and let's have a look. So that's the first one, that's the product. We want that one. That's fine. Product parameters, this one. Right, let's go and get this. Let's go back in here. Oh, hang on, where have I gone? Let's go back over here into this. So let's get this one, and this one. Okay, so I've got 5 images. So I need a script. Now I could copy and paste it from Amazon, but I'm lazy, so I just click on here, generate script via URL. Yeah, I'll do it. And then I'm just going to double check it. Discover the Blu-ray, did it? Yeah, that'll do. That'll do. Scroll down here. Now, do I want it in landscape or do I want it on portrait? Now, the thing with this video is, I can go ahead and put this over onto YouTube. I can put it on Facebook. I can put it on TikTok, Instagram, and many more. So because this video is going to be 33 seconds long, we will be doing it in a short format. So we're going to be doing this in a portrait. We've got landscape over here. The other thing as well is upgrade your lighting and embrace. Here we need a CTA, a call to action. So in here we would just put something like, check this out using the link below. Okay? Again, simple. Then I've got my text over here, highlight, color, voiceovers, and loads of other bits. Okay, so let's click on here. So if you didn't like this voiceover here, you can change it. You can go through, and if you want to listen to any of them, you just simply click on the play button. You can press the play button over there. I don't know why that has come up in Spanish. So let's go ahead and find an English one. What's this one? River. Let's have a listen.
Nature is a mutable cloud.
I don't know. And the thing with these as well is, what I find is, actually, let's have a listen.
Hi there,
Yeah, we'll go with this one.
Hi there, I'm Archie.
Sometimes the voiceover doesn't sound that great in here, but once it's in the video with a little bit of music and other bits, it's really good. So I then scroll down and look, you've got all these different options down here. Do you want background music, etc.? So if you wanted a little bit of background music, we'll come in here. Same process, you just scroll through, and I tend to find easy listening, this one over here, does well. So you can scroll through and you can listen to them, okay? There's a number of these in here, but I think this is the one we like, easy listening 2. Or is it 1? Yeah, easy listening 1. And then I turn the music down to the lowest volume setting. So that's it, right? So it's going to go ahead and create a video with these images. This is the script. Scroll down here. We've got our subtitles on here. We've got our colours. We've got our voiceover. Why has it gone back to that one? We need to go back to Archie. Let's get there. We go. Let's scroll further on the page. I'm going to add in our background music because we didn't select it. So I'm going to go down to number 1, click on it, and then I click on generate video. Now you can upload watermarks and other bits, but I don't bother. So now what's going to happen is it's going to create the video for us. So I'll pause it and I'll come back in a couple of minutes once it's done. Okay, it's done. Let's take a little look at it. We'll skip through it quickly as well, so we're not wasting.
Discover the Blue U Solar Shed Light, your eco-friendly lighting solution. With 248 bright LEDs, it adapts to any environment with adjustable colors.
Okay, so you can see this is how it looks. It actually sounds good. I like the background music with this. Now, looking at these images, I'd probably get rid of that image there because the text has cut off the screen. But overall, you can see it's highlighting the benefits of the products. We've got multiple images on here and it's done basically. But if I wanted to edit this video, if I wanted to add motion to it or change it up, you can see up here, I just simply click on edit. Then what happens here is it will give me other options. So for example, you can see here, I can add motion to any parts of this. Over on this one, for example, if I didn't like this and I wanted to change the image of it, I can just simply download, I can just delete this, or I can come over here and I can regenerate the image, or I can even upload my own image for this. And then, as I've mentioned, if I want to add motion to it, I can do. But once you're happy with this, let me go back on here.
Discover the
Once
blue
you're
you
happy with it, you just simply download the video. Now, what I am doing with this method is, many people think these style of videos don't do very well because essentially it's a collection of images, but you'd be very surprised. And what we do is we do this, okay? So we do one video like this where we're going ahead and we're getting all of the information from the description over on Amazon. We then do another video with the customer feedback. So let me show you how that would look. So over on Amazon, we can come down here and like this over here, this would go into the script of the video. This one over here. We could also grab some different images from here as well. So you could come in here and get some of these different images and use these within the video as well if you want. Again, straightforward and simple. So we do one video of the description, we do one video with the customer feedback, and we just go through and find the positive reviews of this. And then we do another one where we're just highlighting the price of it. So like in this example, it was £20 or $25. We would just highlight that. So essentially then what happens here is we've got 3 of these different videos. And then what do we do? Well, literally the same video. It goes on Facebook, it goes on YouTube Shorts, it goes on TikTok, it goes on Instagram, and it also goes on Pinterest. And all of them have the same thing at the bottom. Check this out using the link below. So obviously we would put a link to the product over on Amazon where somebody clicks it. If they buy it, you are earning an affiliate commission. It is straightforward, it's simple, and as you've seen in this video, it's not complicated and it's not difficult at all. And look, that's today's video, so I'll put links to everything down below for you. If you like the idea of earning online with faceless content and using AI, then come over and check out Faceless Freedom. You will see down here we have got 9 different methods for earning online. We've covered loads and loads of different stuff. We've even got the software suite and the gifts and resources tab. So I'll put a link to my free blueprint down below. Just simply click it. That will show you 4 different methods, and then we'll also give you access to Faceless Freedom. As always, any questions, do let me know. I'll see you soon.